Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Here is the chicken back, guys. I already cleaned the chicken back with lime and vinegar, and I washed it, so I'm going to go ahead and season this chicken back up. Here is the seasoned chicken back, guys. Yes, so chicken back, curry chicken back, and roasted breadfruit. Here I'm burning some curry in a little bit of oil, and once the curry is ready, I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken back to the pot. Here's the chicken back in the pot, so I'm going to add a little bit of water and cover it, let it cook. Now it's time to check the pot. Wow, it is cooking down nicely. It smells delicious. So here I'm going to give it a little stir. Yes guys, curry chicken back and roast breadfruit. It's so delicious. Curry chicken back and rice is good. Curry chicken back with boiled banana dumpling is so yummy. Try it out. Here you have it, guys, a lovely plate of curried chicken back and roast breadfruit. Yes, one of Jamaican's favorite thing to eat. Yes, roast breadfruit with curry chicken back or saltfish rundown. Yes, Jamaicans love their roast breadfruit and chicken back, guys. Please remember to like the video and subscribe for more. If you're new here, turn on the post notification bell to all so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support. To all my subscribers, my new subscribers, all my supporters, I thank you guys so much for supporting. Please remember to share the video out, leave some comments, tell me what are some of your favorite things, food that you like to eat, and if you're from the island, do you love this dish? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks again, guys. Be good, be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Walk good, be good, and good will always follow you. And I'm gonna see you in another video. Bye guys, take care, bye.